Hi, my name is Deborah Leverton from deborahleverton.com. I just wanted to say hello and let you know that I am a real person. I've been a stay-at-home mom for 17 years and a homeschool mom for 13 years. So over these years, I've always worked in some way from home. I taught piano, that's my college degree. So I taught piano for 17 years since right before my son was born. And so that brought in some money, but I never made a lot because I figured I couldn't give my students full attention because I was taking care of my own children. So that was a really good experience. And then I've also sold on eBay, Amazon. I've even tried some MLMs like Norwex, Avon, things like that. And it never worked out because I'm not a salesperson and I hate trying to rope friends and family into buying products that they probably don't want anyway. So that never worked too well for me either. But then 4 years ago, I found a job that I absolutely loved. I taught English to kids in China, and it was such a great job that felt like it wasn't a job. The only problem with that was really early hours in the morning and really late hours at night. So I wasn't getting a lot of rest. And then just recently, their government came in and said, sorry, no more foreign tutors. So several 100,000 teachers at the drop of the hat, gone, no job. So before that, thankfully, I kind of had an inkling this was coming. And I've always had an interest in selling digital products online. I've dabbled in it over the years and never could quite figure it out. Just really frustrating. I get to a certain point and I didn't know what to do anymore. So I just let it drop. But recently I came across Jonathan Montoya's 3-day business challenge and I was like, he knows what he's talking about. And I joined the community and there were all these people that were having great success with affiliate marketing. So I joined and I found out that once you have a step-by-step system and you know what you're doing, you're not relying on old information that is not helpful, things begin to really take off. So this has been great for me because I've been a stay-at-home mom all these years. And then also I got thyroid cancer. I've had it twice. You can probably see my scar here. So I have some physical struggles that I can't always work as hard as I want to physically. And so being able to continue to stay home while I go through these difficulties, I actually even lost my vocal nerve last year when I had a recurrence. And so I couldn't even speak. You couldn't hear me without my mic turned the whole way up, be yelling to my kids, remember to get something. They couldn't hear me, right? So I still taught online, had my mic turned the whole way up. So there's things everybody goes through in life, difficult things. COVID has been difficult for a lot of people. So I understand where you are. I understand that you are struggling too, and I want to help you get past that and start an online job that you will love and will provide for your family. So thanks again for stopping by. Click the link down below and get started building your own business today.